Now let's talk about Varargs. Ever written overloaded method like this? Sum int a comma int b, then again sum int a int b int c, then again sum int a int b int c int d. Looks messy, right? Varargs solve this. They let you pass any number of arguments to a method without creating 10 different overloads. So let's see a code for it. Now here I am pasting the code directly to avoid extra time. Now in the first part from line 4 I have written static int sum int then dot dot numbers. Here is the magic. What is int numbers? That means this method can take any number of int values, 2 numbers, 3 numbers or even 100 numbers. Internally, Java treats this as an array. You can think of Varargs like a flexible suitcase. It can hold 0, 1 or many items all of the same type. Then we have int total equal to 0. I start with a variable total. Initialized it to 0. This will store the sum of numbers. Then we have our for loop. Here I used enhanced for loop that goes through each num inside numbers. For every number I just add it to the total. Pretty simple and clean. Now notice I don't care about the size, whether it's 2, 3 or 10 numbers. This loop will handle it automatically. And finally I returned total to calculate the sum. Now let's go to our main method. Now I have written 3 print statements for the sum of 10, 20, 5, 15, 25 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This method will add them and give us the result. So let's check it. And you can see it gave us the sum as 30, 45 and 15 for 10 plus 20 that is 30, 5 plus 15 plus 25 as 45 and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 as 15. And here is a question for you all. What do you think happens if I call sum with no arguments at all? Will it break or will it return 0? Drop your answers in the comment. Alright, that's for Varargs. Super handy when you don't want to overload methods for different parameter count. Next up, we are diving into enhanced for loop. The for loop which we used here. So, let's go.